Yo, what's up guys, welcome back once again. So I know I haven't done a video in a little while. It's been about 2 weeks since I've uploaded anything. Sorry about that. I just been stupid busy with other stuff. I've been working on other people's cars, taking a lot of time. Then we got hit by a storm. Haven't really been able to move my cars around and stuff. They're all side, it's tarped, just pretty much fully covered in snow. So it's kind of hard to get them in here. So I kind of just got some of the parts for the 1M. So I'll show you guys that today. Since obviously I can kind of show you guys this stuff in the garage, not outside, so it's kind of warm in here. So let me show you guys everything I got for the 1M. I pretty much got everything already, but I kind of want to give you guys a pretty good video on just everything kind of that I got so far and majority of parts that I'll be needing. This one's not going to show all the part numbers and everything, but the next video will. I want to start doing installation and stuff like that. I want to start putting parts on the car. Then I have part numbers, where I got them from, links, all that good stuff, so that if you guys want to do this yourself, you guys can also do it the same way that I did it. So yeah guys, let's get to it. I'll start showing you guys the parts and then kind of give you a little description of everything. So up here in the front, beginning with, we have a 1M front bumper. This is an OEM bumper. It's not a 1M style or any of the stuff like that. So this bumper is a 1M. This was what would go on a real 1M. This is what BMW sells. This is one of the replacement parts. So I got this BMW. I got side skirts. Also those are straight from BMW dealership. So I got the bumper, side skirts both at my local dealership. You can get them online, like at a BMW parts store. Like for example, here I would go to BMW Northwest, and then you can get them for a discount. They're a little bit cheaper, but I kind of needed them right away. So I just got them at the dealership, since I could just walk in there and order them. It's much easier. Then I got these from Fenders. These are carbon fiber fenders, which I got them from a seller on eBay that makes them. He's not from the US. He's from, pretty sure, either Thailand or something like that. And he's out there, you know, in the Asia region. So these were 1,000 including shipping and everything. They're about 600 for them themselves. It's pretty much what he sells them for, but obviously it's a lot of shipping, so it's about $300 shipping. So total was 1,000 for these. But at the same time, if you want to get just plastic like this, 1M from Fenders, they are also $1,000 from the dealership. So keep that in mind. Carbon fiber, much better decision. So because this was like, I think like 800, and then each one of these was like $300 or $400, something like that. So kind of pricey, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Then moving back, we got this carbon fiber trunk. So it's a CSL style, so it's got the little duck clip on it, pretty cool. And obviously these got the 1M, you know, everything. So right now I'm also waiting on the turn signals. I got those ordered from BMW as well, so it should be here in a few days. They were the same price, about I think BMW is about $50 a piece. And then ECS tuning was like 45, but you already know how ECS tuning, they select forever on shipping. So just pay the $5 extra and actually get them within 3 days or something like that, instead of possibly months from ECS. So we got the rear overs that I have to mold in. These are from Jay. I have this info and everything once I actually start putting stuff together. Just telling you guys a little brief description for now, but these are gonna have to get molded on. And then I got a rear bumper. I got this here locally from a friend. He didn't need it no more. He went and got a brand new one. This one does have some damage on it. It's mainly just like small cosmetic stuff, you know. It just has like a base coat on there, like something like that. Then it's got like some bond over here that I gotta sand down and clean up. And then it's missing this, so I have to get that as well. But for 180 bucks, can't really beat it. 180 compared to like 400. I'd rather just do the repairs and keep that money for other parts. I got, this is a carbon fiber piece. It's for the 1M, and it's got the shark fins on them. So 3 of those look pretty cool. I just have it marked up on there, not fully on there, but just so you guys can kind of tell. This is carbon fiber. I got this from eBay. It's a few places to sell them. N5 tuners, eBay. They're pretty much all same thing really. It's just who you want to get them from. I just went for eBay because I buy a lot of stuff from eBay, to be honest. And if you look at my history, I have a lot of stuff. So I have a pretty good like I guess buyer reputation, I guess. So I mean, if usually anything goes bad, which has rarely happened, I've had a few things that go bad that I buy or they don't fit or something like that. Usually eBay is pretty cool about, you know, helping me out with anything. I only had 2 cases, I believe, which I had some issues. One time was the intercooler. Intercooler didn't really match what the picture was, so you know, I had a dispute. We settled that right away. You know, on that one actually the seller wasn't really like trying to help out, so he was pretty much like, oh, you know, you got screwed or whatnot. So actually eBay stepped in. They were pretty helpful. So that's kind of the reason I'll buy from them. And also, you know, it's easier to keep track of the stuff that you buy. You get your tracking information right away. You can check it there. You don't have to be waiting for an email from a seller. If I go to another place, you know, stuff like that. So usually if I can buy from eBay, I'll buy from eBay, unless I can't. So this is really about sums everything up that I got for now. I told you guys about the turn signals already. Those are coming in a few days. And then I already showed you guys the tail lights that I'm gonna be using. They're the black line tail lights. So I already showed you guys those, and they're actually inside the car, and this car's covered with snow. So I'm not gonna go get them to show you guys. I'll show you guys those once they're fully on. And then I will be doing something with my front headlights. I will be doing like a kind of M4 style look. So it should be pretty cool. I'm not sure, but I'm thinking about possibly even deleting my passenger side one, just make it a full intake for my turbo. Who knows? I'm not exactly sure if I'm gonna be a full track car, or if it's gonna be so daily drivable. So the hood, I can't really decide if I want to go with the carbon fiber or if I want to do the fiberglass and just get it paint matched. So I am doing like a CSL style, I think it's called, pretty sure. It's just got that little bubble. It's like M3 style, and it's got 2 little vents in the back, which looks pretty cool. So can't really decide. I have to make up my mind on that so I can order it right away, because that's going to be the last piece. Besides from, I'm pretty sure I told you guys this, but I will be cutting out the factory whole roof with the sunroof and everything. Everything's going to be gone. I am replacing it with a kind of like a M4 or M3 style, because the 1M actually didn't come from factory with a carbon fiber roof. But I am going to be doing a carbon fiber roof on it, so it takes a lot of weight off the top of the car. It should help the car a lot to get all that heavy stuff off the top. So plus it obviously looks awesome. It's going to look awesome with the fenders, trunk, and roof. Should look pretty sweet. All that stuff carbon fiber. So yeah, that's really about everything that I got for today, guys. I just want to give you guys an update. I haven't done anything for the past few days. Like I told you guys, I've been really busy. I have a big mess right now in the garage. Everything's super messy. I gotta go ahead and clean this up. I have a motor right there just chilling. That's just blown. That's from the car that I was fixing. That took me about a week to get sorted out. So I had a car in here the whole week. I was working on it nonstop. Finally got it done. It should be on its way tomorrow. And then storm hit a few days ago, so that kind of screwed me up too. So finally getting back at it, guys. Besides from that, we also got a lot of other content coming up on the E36. My brother got some seats for the E36, so those should be going on here pretty soon. They're like a bucket seat style, but still reclinable. They look super sick, so can't wait to show you guys those. He also got a steering wheel that he got, and a hub and all that stuff. Obviously the E36 original steering wheel on the non-M3 version is hideous, so we're swapping that out. We also got the transmission right there chilling for the manual swap. We got the transmission, we got pedals, we got lines, we pretty much got everything. We're ready to go on that. We just need the time to be able to do it. So, and also we got some vinyl wrap, so we can finish vinyl wrapping the E36. So a lot of 1M content coming up. E36, a lot of unboxing stuff, you know, showing you guys seats, all that stuff. We're gonna put the seats on, wrap, manual swap, boom, the list goes on, a lot of stuff. E30 also needs to get some love, so I'll be showing that car some love here soon. So yeah, guys, once again, thanks for watching. If you guys are new, this is your first time watching, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the contents coming up. Plus it also helps me a lot, you know, just maybe not like making money or anything, you know, I'm obviously not making money off of this, but you know, knowing people subscribing to this channel does give me, you know, motivation to keep making this stuff, because you know, if I know people want to see more stuff, you know, it gives me more motivation to do it. So please subscribe if you can or want to. Go ahead and like this video, like the other videos, watch the other videos, and Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.